To use custom audience in your ads, let's create one custom audience. Go to audience. We'll create a custom audience here, and you can directly use that audience in your ad set. Or you can directly create when you create your ad set, you can directly create the audience there as well. Go to create audience, click on custom audience. Here we are using customer list. Say I have a customer list, I have some email IDs of the customers who have interacted with my website before. They have left their email IDs, they might have created an account, and I have the email IDs, but they haven't yet completed the action. So here I'll be using retargeting ads mostly. So yes, let's go to customer list, click on next. Here you'll see these options. You can also import from MailChimp, which is email marketing software. And here I'll be going to just click next and we'll upload it here. Click no on the value, as we are not having a customer value, we are just having email IDs. Here you can upload .csv or txt file. Click on upload. You can also download a sample file. And since I already have my list ready, I've created a list of retargeting. It's in CSV format. So I have multiple email IDs, more than 7,000 to 8,000 email IDs I have already here, those who have interacted with the business. Here I have also named the first column as email, and then all the email IDs. I'll upload it here. Click on next. You can also name your audience. Let's say here I want to name this audience as, for example, audience 1 from site, or maybe you want to put email IDs, whatever you want to add here, just to know that what you're creating. Now, if you see, it has already started identifying that, okay, this is the row. Just you have to map by this. This is the email. You just have to map, yes, these are the email addresses. You can also upload more columns here, but then right now we are just targeting with email addresses. Click on import and create. Your entire list will be uploaded here. So if you see, your customer list has been hashed and uploaded. 8,665, as I said that I have more than 8,000 email IDs here. So assuming that at least 4,000 to 5,000 email IDs Facebook will be able to map on Facebook, that people who have created their account with similar ID and same ID. So click on done, and then you can see you'll be having this. Right now it's populating. Right now it says below 1,000, but actual would be 4,600 to 5,500. I've already done it before just to show you that once it's populated, you'll see these many email IDs if it's mapped on Facebook. And then you can directly use this audience in your ad set.